Good morning, traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, what can we say? Pretty much the US markets reversed their losses from the previous day and basically finished right where they started the day before. So, from a DAX perspective, we're still hovering around this level here. Oh, not that level there, which is 12872, and big up, big down, big up, big confusion, and that is still continuing. So it does look like we have a bit of a messy move to the upside. So we moved up, consolidated, second move up. That second move up is done. I think your ultimate target at the moment is going to be this gap here. But it's going to be messy like it has been messy at the moment. So let's just get straight on to the hour. Pointless even trying to look at the higher time frames. And let's get that to the middle. Right, so if we look at the hour, we've had a strong move up. We've bounced off the moving average twice, 3 times at the moment. And now what we're looking for is pretty much a break above this area here. So that's 12961. So I'd be looking for longs. Would be nice to see a move back down into this area here. So 12872 or alternatively 12900. So get a decent move down into here before another move to the upside. So that's kind of what would be nice. Alternatively, what we're looking for is a break above 12961. Come back, test it, and then you probably got a shot at the gap. It's going to be a messy shot, so don't get too excited about it. And it's not really. It's 140 points, I suppose, for the DAX. That's not too bad, but yeah, I think personally, I think any of the US indexes are going to offer a little bit more value than the DAX at the moment. This is still confusion as far as I'm concerned. There's no real direction. A sort of half-hearted attempts at getting to different levels. The only real movements are coming on any shorts, and to pick the shorts at the moment is extremely difficult. Anyway, so for me, staying out of the DAX. I think the Dow Jones or the S&P is going to offer me better opportunities to make my targets for the day than what's going to happen here. So, but if you do want to trade this, I think it is trending up. There's no debate about that on the hour. There's your trend. It does look like it's forming a bit of a triangle, and it does look like that gap is the measured move of this. We can actually just do that. So there. Just below the measured move. So, and the measured move of this triangle is consolidation here. Okay, so the big thing at the moment is if we do get through, you can see we got through this area, but then we immediately start consolidating again. And no real rhyme or reason why. I suppose we could argue that there's a lot of congestion here. Anyway, it's not something I want to be trading. Not even going to try and second guess this thing. If you do want to trade it, I would suggest you get down onto a 15 minute and wait for structure on the 15 minutes. So any bounces off any of these inside tails and it starts creating higher highs, then there's obviously an opportunity to get long. Then you may get lucky with a move up to 13,100 or 13,105. But other than that, me personally, I think I'm going to focus on the S&P or the Dow Jones. We'll have a look at those two now. Anyway, I hope it helps somebody, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.